Betty lived in London. Victor worked at a bank. I haven't read his book. We went to the theater yesterday. What is his name? Where does he live? When did you call him? Why are you late? Do you visit them often? Have you seen my key? Are you ready to start? Could you give me a pen, please? Do you want coffee or tea? Does he speak English? Asked the man. It's a beautiful town, isn't it? She knows him, doesn't she? Stop it. Sit down. Close the book. What a wonderful present. How nice of you. Peter, can you help me? Mr. Smith, this is Mary Brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She bought berries, cheese, orange, and apple. Thanks for listening.